Which disease is caused by the Plasmodium parasite? The correct answer is option B, malaria. What is the primary cause of diabetes? The correct answer is option C, insulin imbalance. What is the main symptom of jaundice? The correct answer is option B, yellowing of skin. Which type of disease is cancer classified as? The correct answer is option B, non-infectious. Which organ is primarily affected by hepatitis? The correct answer is option B, liver. What is the common mode of transmission for cholera? The correct answer is option B, contaminated water. Which disease is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis? The correct answer is option B, tuberculosis. What is the primary vector for dengue fever? The correct answer is option C, Aedes mosquito. What is the major symptom of anemia? The correct answer is option D, fatigue. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets? The correct answer is option C, vitamin D. The common term for myocardial infarction is? The correct answer is option A, heart attack. Which disease is also known as Hansen's disease? The correct answer is option A, leprosy. What is the causative agent of COVID-19? The correct answer is option B, SARS-CoV-2. Which disease is associated with high blood sugar levels? The correct answer is option B, diabetes mellitus. What is the primary symptom of scurvy? The correct answer is option B, bleeding gums. Which bacteria causes typhoid fever? The correct answer is option A, Salmonella typhi. What type of pathogen causes the common cold? The correct answer is option B, virus. What is the leading cause of blindness globally? The correct answer is option A, cataracts. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of iodine? The correct answer is option B, goiter. What is the mode of transmission for HIV? The correct answer is option C, blood and body fluids. Which disease is associated with the Epstein-Barr virus? The correct answer is option B, mononucleosis. What is the main symptom of Parkinson's disease? The correct answer is option B, tremors. Which disease is transmitted by the tsetse fly? The correct answer is option B, sleeping sickness. Which disease primarily affects the lungs? The correct answer is option A, tuberculosis. What is the common symptom of arthritis? The correct answer is option B, joint pain. Which disease is caused by the poliovirus? The correct answer is option A, polio. What is the major symptom of Alzheimer's disease? The correct answer is option B, memory loss. What is a zoonotic disease? The correct answer is option B, transmitted by animals. Which disease is commonly called lockjaw? The correct answer is option A, tetanus. What is the main cause of osteoporosis? The correct answer is option A, low calcium levels. Which disease is caused by a protozoan? The correct answer is option B, malaria. What is the primary symptom of migraine? The correct answer is option B, severe headache. Which disease is caused by a prion? The correct answer is option B, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Which is a bacterial disease? The correct answer is option B, tuberculosis. Which disease is transmitted via contaminated food or water? The correct answer is option B, cholera. Which organ is affected by cirrhosis? The correct answer is option B, liver. Which disease is characterized by uncontrolled cell growth? The correct answer is option C, cancer. Which deficiency causes pellagra? The correct answer is option A, vitamin B3. Which disease is prevented by the BCG vaccine? The correct answer is option B, tuberculosis. Which disease is caused by Trypanosoma brucei? The correct answer is option A, sleeping sickness. What is the main symptom of eczema? The correct answer is option B, skin inflammation. Which disease is associated with the destruction of insulin-producing cells? The correct answer is option A, type 1 diabetes. What is the primary symptom of gout? The correct answer is option A, joint pain. What is a genetic disorder? The correct answer is option C, caused by DNA mutations. Which disease is characterized by high blood pressure? The correct answer is option A, hypertension. Which organ is primarily affected by asthma? The correct answer is option B, lungs. Which disease is also called Hansen's disease? The correct answer is option A, leprosy. What is the primary symptom of hypothyroidism? The correct answer is option B, fatigue. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of vitamin C? The correct answer is option B, scurvy. What is the primary mode of transmission for the flu? The correct answer is option A, airborne droplets.